What is conflict of interest? Yes, we've all heard people say, it's who you know, not what you know. We also have probably heard about employees talking about how a certain someone got a promotion or a raise because he or she is a relative of someone up there. We have also likely seen a co-employee accept gifts from potential vendors or clients. These all fall under the heading of conflict of interest. A conflict of interest happens when someone's personal interests, family, friendships, financial, or social factors could compromise his or her judgment, decisions, or actions in the workplace. Government-owned and private companies or enterprises take conflicts of interest very seriously that they include it in their policies, regulations, and standard operating procedures. In fact, a conflict of interest may lead to legal ramifications and the loss of the job. It is important, therefore, that we know how to avoid conflicts of interest in the workplace. Here are a few examples of conflicts of interest in the office. It is best that we avoid these situations from happening and affecting our employment in the company we work for. An employee reports to a supervisor who happens to be a relative or close friend, and this person has control over the employee's job responsibilities, salary, and promotions. A manager, regardless of gender, asked a subordinate, again of any gender, out on a date. An employee works part-time for another company that is a direct competitor of the company where he works full-time for. An employee accepts gifts and freebies from a company eyeing to do business with the employee's company. An employee sets up a personal website on which he sells his employer's products. An employee violates the non-compete agreement he signed with the company. These are just some of the many examples of potential conflicts of interest. If you're not sure what to do in these instances, or if you think you might be involved in a potential conflict of interest, inform your supervisor or manager or the human resources department of your company. It is best to be extra careful in these cases to avoid the possibility of legal actions against you, or worse, termination from your job.